Okay, yeah, medium rare is fine.
Medium rare.
Tako se je začel prehranski podvig z naročilom, kako naj bodo zapečeni goveji polpeti hamburgerja Big Joe.
Hey, what's hey in Slovenia?
Hey is hey.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hey is hey. If you say hey, they're gonna say hey back. Yeah.
All right. Well, I didn't know if it was a hoy or what. All right. Hey, everybody. This is Randy Santel, Atlas, and I am very, very excited tonight because this is the main event of the summer tour. I've been looking forward to this challenge forever. I am here with Steel Rad Redeem. We are in Sela of Slovenia. We are at Stari Fisker. We're taking on their Fat Joe Burger Challenge. Now, this thing has gone viral. It's been shared by Lad Bible, many of the big pages, and I've been emailed and messaged about it probably 200 or 300 times, and I planned a big portion of this trip so that I could come take on this challenge. Only one person has been able to beat it. It was only about 3 weeks ago in the few years that it's been going out of over 200 or 300 attempts. But we've got only 30 minutes to finish everything here. There are 10 beef burger patties, each layered with a whole bunch of cheddar cheese. There's bacon, there's sauce on the bottom. There are some healthy vegetables up on top. We've got onion rings, and then below this burger, there are just a few fries. It's about 5.5 to 6 pounds, or about 2.5 kilograms, but yeah, we've got 30 minutes to finish. If we fail, it's gonna be 50 euros, but if we win, we will get our meals free, and we're hoping to become the second and third people up on the Wall of Fame. Are you ready? Yeah. All right, let's get this challenge started.
Come on!
I heard laughing. Did I mess up the cell? Okay. I'll just say it before I go.
You can eat the sword, it's no problem, if you want. You
gotta make sure I don't cut myself.
Yeah, you can try.
No, that would be terrible. Good thing I did it before time started. All right. Cool, let's eat. Ooh.
Bon appetit, bon appetit.
We're good. Good?
Enjoy.
Hey, Mom. Ready? All right, it's the last challenge of the European portion of our tour. Tomorrow we head to Dubai for the Asian portion of our tour, but this is our last challenge with Mr. Steel Rad Redeem, so thanks to everything he has done with us. But the record for this challenge, the one person that finished, did it in about 25 minutes. We are both going for our first win in Slovenia. Let's dominate. All right, he gets to eat like he doesn't have a challenge tomorrow. We do not. But we are off tomorrow, so that's nice. But let's shut up and eat. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Boom!
Ragazzi, allora! Hanno vinto questo scontro, sai?
Yeah.
Zdaj vidite ženske, da nič ne robijo, če takle fantje malo bolj po domače jejo, ne? Vidite pa zmerja, da so kot to je, no, to je kul, jasne. Zdaj bo, malo zaproska, če me malo zagovoriti, no. Ja, no, zdaj je to najboljši, ne. Pa kdo prej pojedo, Jezus, Marija, blagov. Zdaj lahko si svojega favorita zberete, ne? Je to Radiva, je to Randy? Vidi stave pobiral, ne? Ja, nekaj zvit, ja, ora.
Pa čekaj,
Jaz sem ostal brez besed, to je v life.
to je že na pol, ne?
Rekel je, to je dober znak, to je dober, dajmo nazaj mu reči, ja, this is good, yeah, this is good. Evo, dieta Coca-Cola. Ti pazi. Evo, pred zadnja je šla.
Isto, kjer si nablaga.
Rot je pa že da začel, vidim, ne? Okej. Rekel je, da tam se snemi, da ne bo gledal, kako kdo je, ne? Zato ti je to pokazal. Koliko imamo čas? 9?
9 minut.
9 minut, okej, zadnji burger mislim, da je še tule. 9 minut je mimo.
Last bite.
Last bite?
Ajde, ajde!
What's the time, mister? What's the time?
Wasn't my cleanest, but the new record is 11 minutes and 46 seconds for the Fat Joe Burger Challenge. So very happy to finally get this win. My first win in Slovenia, country number 25. They gave me a Slovenian beer. We are going to celebrate tonight. Fat Randy just dominated Fat Joe, so we will be all good. I did a big challenge a few days ago that was about 6-7 pounds, so I'm feeling pretty good now. I got room for some Slovenian beers.
I think you got room for something else. Randy!
Stil Rod Radim se je še zmeraj mučil z ogromnim burgerjem, a je bil na koncu vseeno uspešen.
Malo še ima. Ne, on še zdaj pomfri hoče zraven. On hoče zdaj še pomfri zraven. Was that French fries? Was it hard to eat or the same?
No, there's a little bit of juice from the burgers that sunk into the fries. So the fries were easier to eat. They were really soft.
Okay.
It's always really enjoyable when restaurants only include a few fries. That way you can enjoy the burger. If there's as many fries as there is burger, yeah, you enjoy the burger for a little bit, but the whole time you're just mad that there's so many fries there. So what they have here at Stary Pisker is a delicious challenge. I'm really happy with what they put together.
Yes, he did it!
26 minutes and 24 seconds. Redeem dominated the Fat Joe Burger Challenge here at Stary Pisker in Celje of Slovenia. What'd you think of it?
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Radim, are you okay?
I'm ready to desert.
This event on. Thank you guys for watching. It was overall win number 657.
Kot zadnji pa je svoj želodec napolnil Magic Mitch.
2, 1.
In aplauz za Joeja Pretipta, Joeja stari pisker izziv, dame in gospodje. Pa da vidimo, kaj bo naredil zdaj. Magic Mitch. Hočemo reči Magic Mike, ampak Magic Mitch. Deset minut, 30 sekund.
What do you think, Dame?
13 minutes, 15 seconds.
To je zdaj vegetarijanski del izziva, ne, za tiste, ki ne veste. Torej, burgeri so končani, zelenjava je končana, čebučko je švalo stalo, torej onion rings, pa ena polpeta. Začela je teči skoraj 15 minuta, torej 14 minut in 45 sekund, trenutno čas. To bo vrhunski rezultat. Verjetno prav tako nedosegljiv za vse naslednje izzivalce. He's finished. I can't believe, ladies and gentlemen, what's the time? 16 minut, torej 16 minut, drugi najboljši rezultat na svetu.
Poraženca sta morala za kazen narediti 10 sklec.
Oh, he's going for 20. Show off.
Is that 100?
I think it might even be 2. He's starting his diet early.
Ready for this small tomahawk.
Trojica jedcev pa si je prislužila še sladico in pa 2-kilogramski zrezek, a tudi tega so brez težav zmazali.
Evo, gledajte zdaj, dame in gospodje, kako tole zagori na mizi in se do konca speče. Evo, to je ta veliki trenutek za tomahawk. Ena najbolj znanih zadev starega piskra, poleg tega Fat Joe burgerja. Torej, težak je 2 kilograma, narejen iz mesa slovenskega porekla.